This video we will see how to fix error out of a structure on Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of error code on your PC, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose task manager. Here go to a startup apps from the left side menu bar and manually disable all the startup apps enabled in your system. Simply look for which startup apps is enabled. Simply right select it and choose disable from the top right corner. Apply this method for all the enabled startup apps in your system and check whether your error structure out of a structure error. Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute these three DISM tool on your command prompt windows: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows and press enter on each time. After that, execute one more command, sfc scan now, sfc space slash scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings, right click on the start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security. Here choose Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here click on scan options and here choose full scan. Full scan your system for any malware attack or virus attack. So scan your system with virus and threat protection and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to Windows settings, right click on start button, choose settings, and here from the left side go to system, thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for the option about. Click on about and here scroll down and choose advanced system settings. Click on it. Here a system properties windows will open. Here under performance section, click on settings. A new window will open. Here go to advanced from the top menu bar and virtual memory. Go to virtual memory section and click on change. Resize your virtual memory size. Here uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Uncheck this and custom size. If you choose no paging file, then and click on set, window will appear. If you disable the paging file or set the initial size to less than 400 MB and a system error occurs. So choose system managed file and custom size, and initial size and maximum size should be as shown on screen. The initial size should be 1.5 times into available physical memory into 1024 and maximum size 3 into available physical memory into 1024. This is the maximum size and this should be initial size. For example, if the physical RAM is 4 GB, the initial and maximum page file size will become initial size 1.5 into 4 into 1024 and maximum size will be 3 into 4 into 1024. If the physical RAM is 8 GB, then 1.5 into 8 into 1024 and 3 into 8 into 1024. This is the initial size and maximum size. So select as per 4 GB RAM 6144 and 12288 under initial size and maximum size. So resize your virtual memory size is also a possible solution of this error. Click on OK and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, restore your system files and settings. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box and here type RSTRUY. This command will open System Files and Settings Restore. Restore System Files and Settings. Click on Next. Choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restore point. Recently choose a restore point and click on Next. And finally confirm your restore point. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Don't forget to restart your system.